Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Donate Me. Accessing the game is simple. Just search for Donate Me on Roblox and click to join. Once inside, you will see a bustling lobby filled with other players. Your first step is to locate an empty stand, which will be marked clearly for you. Claiming this stand is the very first action you need to take to begin your donation journey in the game. After claiming your empty stand, you gain full control over its customization. You can personalize the text displayed, perhaps sharing a fun message or explaining why people should donate to you. Next, interact with the donation buttons on your stand. Here, you will set the specific amounts, ranging from 5 Robux to 1,000 Robux, that other players can donate. Make these amounts varied to appeal to different potential givers. Engaging with other players is crucial for receiving donations. Strike up conversations, visit other stands, and generally be a good community member. Your stand's creativity also plays a big part. A unique design or a witty message can significantly increase your chances of getting donations. When another player donates, the Robux is directly transferred through the game's official system, appearing in your pending Robux balance. It's a seamless process for everyone involved. After receiving donations, your earned Robux will enter a pending state, as Roblox processes all transactions securely. It is important to remember that Roblox takes a standard commission, typically around 30% from each donation. The remaining Robux will then be added to your account balance after a short holding period, often about 3 to 7 days. Keep an eye on your My Robux page to track your earnings and manage your virtual currency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.